Hello, this is Dr. Kavya Krishnappa, fertility consultant at Garbhagudi IVF Center, Jayanagar branch. Today I'll be talking about laparoscopy in infertility. So what exactly is laparoscopy? Laparoscopy is a minimally invasive procedure which is done to diagnose certain problems or to treat certain problems. Here, we make a single umbilical port, or around the umbilicus we make a single port. Usually we introduce the camera through this, and secondary ports either on the right side or the left side. Sometimes we only make a secondary port, one small port, or sometimes we even do two ports depending upon the procedure. So here we use accessory to help the procedure what we're doing. So either it can be diagnostic, that is to diagnose something, or it can be used to as a treatment procedure also. So when do we exactly do the diagnostic is when a couple comes to us, they've been trying for pregnancy for quite some time and they don't have any other causes. So if all the tests are normal, the scan is normal, semen analysis is normal, we do a diagnostic laparoscopy. So here we put the probe and see how the uterus is, how the tubes are, and how the ovaries are. And also sometimes when we have done a tubal patency test, that is the fallopian tubes whether they are open or not, we get to know by doing a hysterosalpingography or a HyCO-C, that is a sonosalpingography. So by these tests, if at all there is a block, then we do test them by doing a chromoperturbation. Here what we do is we put the scope through the laparoscope and the camera is seen. So direct there is visualization of the tube, and we push the dye through the cervix into the uterine cavity and see for the spillage of the dye on either side of the uterus, that is through the tubal ends, that is the fimbrial end. So if the dye comes out freely, then we tell that the chromoperturbation is positive and bilateral, the tubes are open. So we can also diagnose a tubal block. So by diagnosis, what all do we pick up? Sometimes early cases of mild or moderate endometriosis, we will not know by any scans or by the history of the patient. These we can pick up by doing a diagnostic laparoscopy. And if there have been flimsy adhesions, also these are picked up by the laparoscopy. And where do we do therapeutic? That is to treat certain conditions. The commonest may be what we know as PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Here, if the woman has been having irregular cycles and whatever tablets or injections we are giving, the follicles are not growing beyond a certain amount or they're not growing at all, then sometimes we do what is called as ovarian drilling, laparoscopic ovarian drilling. So what we do when the ovaries are very bulky, we can see those small cysts here in a PCOS ovaries. So we do ovarian drilling. So around 4 spots are done on each ovary, and this helps the women to conceive in the next coming cycles. This is known as laparoscopic ovarian drilling. And there are other conditions which are done. So as I had already talked to you about endometriosis, in endometriosis also, if there are a lot of endometriotic deposits, we can burn them. And if there is endometriotic cyst also, we can do a laparoscopic endometriotic cystectomy, so that the couple has better chances in the next coming cycles. And in certain conditions, for example, a woman is conceiving, but the cervical length becomes very small and then she lands up with abortion. This is known as cervical incompetence, and the patient can have abortions because of this. And we do what is known as cervical stitch. So we make a stitch around the cervical internal os and we tie it. So in spite, we can do this either by the vaginal route or the abdominal route. Since vaginal route, that is from below, it is easier, we usually do the vaginal route, cervical encerclage. In spite of this cervical encerclage, if the woman lands up with abortion again, so we can do a laparoscopic abdominal cerclage prior she conceives. So this has given us better results as well. So why should we go for laparoscopy? So laparoscopy has many advantages. So getting back to normalcy is faster. So the women can go back to their work, daily work, routine work, or even go to their offices, wherever the workplace is, faster. And also the pain is very less. And most of the procedures are done as a daycare procedures. Thus, laparoscopy is indeed helpful for various reasons of infertility. Thank you.